In this video, I will show you how to write in Microsoft Excel Sigma symbol. So you want to write this Sigma symbol in Excel or Microsoft Word. So method is easy and simple. Just insert an equation, and in this basic math, in this third line, select this Sigma symbol, and another way, slash and type Sigma and press space. And using this slash, you can write any symbol. Just write the name like delta, theta, or beta, gamma, mu, or pi. So we can see we can write any symbol using their name. So thanks for watching.